Welcome everyone. This is Brett Bogner with behalf of 3D Speedy Designs, and today we wanted to kind of share a new product with you. We're very excited to launch our new silicone paper tube filling trays. If you're familiar with any of our products in the past, we've used to offer a plastic tray design, and we ended up doing a lot of customization. As if you're using the paper tube, you're probably well aware of at this point that there's really not an industry standard as far as dimensions go on these, and there is a ton of variations, and so many that we ended up doing more of these custom than we did sell any of the standard dimension trays, which we offered for a few tubes that seem to have pretty consistent trays. But if you've used these, they were very sensitive to any dimensional variation as far as the sealability. So they did fill a gap that was in the market, but they weren't heat safe, not dishwasher safe. So there was still some opportunities for improvement. So over the past few months, we've been developing this new line of silicone trays, and we really think it's going to be a step forward in user-friendly durability, and it has a lot of really nice features. We offer these right currently in kind of a large and a small option. In our small option, these are a 15 count tray, kind of nice for the little smaller. You can always get multiples if you have higher needs. They're made right here in the USA and designed in the USA, in Ohio. They're made out of food grade silicone. They're very flexible, very durable. You can take a heat gun to these things. You can put them in the dishwasher when you're done, which is probably by far the biggest advantage. They have a nice lip around the edge, so if you do true flood filling, it should keep all the excess contained. And they also seal much better than our plastic design. And also, because they are very flexible, you can even get to the point where if you have tubes that are close, you can use this for multiple tubes and not have to have a custom tray for each side. On the bigger side, we offer it with a 32 count or some of the larger size tubes because they get so big, and based on kind of market feedback, you don't fill quite as many at a time. We made that in a 28 count, and much like we can with all our old trays, we can do pretty much any size. We tried to create standard size increments to cover most of the tube market. If you don't see anything either on our website or on our Etsy page that doesn't fit your needs, please reach out, let us know. We'd be happy to work with you and see if we can come up with something to fit your needs. Speaking of fitting your needs, as we stated with the previous plastic designs, we used to have you send us tubes. We would custom fit the tray and then send it back. This was a lot of work on both on your behalf and on our behalf to make a custom tray and a custom model every time. So it was really time and labor intensive. We're trying to simplify this process for both of us. So with the standard increments, like I say, we feel like that we have a line that should cover most sizes. We also now offer this template. We offer it in a small size, which covers 15 to 21 millimeter. And when we talk about using this template, it's really two major dimensions that we're concerned about. So the first one being the diameter of the neck. So this is the part that actually interacts and goes up inside the tray. So what you can do is you can take your template and just simply see which one fits. Go start big and just start going smaller until it doesn't fit, and say, okay. So this one, the neck diameter is 19.25 millimeter. Really easy to use, user-friendly. The other dimension we would like to ask you that you check is also just the height of this neck area to make sure that it's not shorter than the actual tray design. And again, if you have one that's shorter, it's not that big of a deal. Just let us know so that we can adjust the heights accordingly and make sure that we ship you a product that we're confident that's gonna work. And then, so you can just measure the height, and we only show 10, 8, and 6. Really, like I say, if you're 10 or above, it's not a problem. Those will certainly work with all these trays. If you get to below 8 or so, that's when we really ask that you kind of just reach out to, or actually below 10, reach out to us and just confirm what the dimensions are, and then, like I say, we'll make sure that we get what you need. Same thing, just in a larger size. These are lightweight plastic. We can simply put them in an envelope and mail them to you. If you check out our Etsy page, we have this available. And again, this is really targeted at making the what size tray do I need process really easy, so that, again, we're confident that we will get you a design that's the correct. So they still feature a lot of our features that we had in our plastic tray. So it's got a lip that only fills just the ID of the tube. They do fit snugger. So the loading process is maybe just a touch harder because the silicone's a little grabbier, but you can still just kind of walk the tube in there and just make sure that it's fitting. And we'll just finish loading up this tray here while we're videoing, just to give you an example. Again, this is just one of our smaller 15 count trays. And you can flip it over. And you just want to kind of give it a quick visual, make sure everything's flush, quick little push down, and you're ready to go. So again, these seal much better. And like I say, they are also much more flexible if you want to use them for multiple sizes. Now, if you use them for multiple sizes that are, say, bigger, the tray will distort it a little bit. You know, it might look a little funny just on the edges. It won't have that perfect square shape. Totally fine, not a problem. We still include our scraper that you come with. Now, one thing we do want to note is these are still made out of plastic. They are not dishwasher safe. The tray is dishwasher safe, the scraper is not. So, but you could easily scrape off excess material and use it. So we really think this will be a huge benefit to a lot of the end users of filling paper tubes to make it more robust, not have any loss due to leakage around the tube neck and getting it on the outside of the tube. And yeah, it should just be a more user-friendly product with the better end results. So again, check us out on Etsy, 3D Speedy Designs, or we also have a website, www.3dspeedydesigns.com. Again, you're always welcome to send us an email, send us a message, call us. We're here. We're happy to help. We have products in stock ready to ship in most cases. If not, we can get them turned around really quickly. And again, like I say, if you have custom needs, we're also happy to help with that. So thanks for joining. Comment if you have any questions. We'll be happy to answer. So thank you.